Hi everybody, I'm Natalie with Missouri Star Quilt Company, and today on Embroidery 101 we are going to do the chain stitch. This is a fun stitch for outlines, curves, anything that you want to trace around, and you can also use it as a filler. It looks really great as a filler. It's so fun. Okay, it's not as hard as it looks, so you are gonna put a knot in the end of your embroidery floss. You're gonna come up where you're ready to start and go right back down. Then you'll slide your needle under and along that line where you want to come back up. And what you want to do is catch the loop. All right, so let me show you this a little bit closer up. So we're going to go in through the loop, come out next to it, however long you want your stitch. Whoops, catch the next loop. Back in through the loop, come up again underneath, pull the loop. All right, now when you're about to finish your loop, what I do is I pull that last loop through, and instead of going back inside the loop, this time I just put a little stitch on the other side, and that will secure that loop. So you're just going straight down. That will secure that last loop, and then you'll make your knot on the back and finish out your stitch. All right, so I have some fun examples. We made these really cute little tea towels with days of the week on them. And this is where you can do all of your little cursive writing, and it is so fun. And this, the sizing is determined by the thickness of the thread that you use. So it's just a fun stitch. It's great for filler as well. You can see here how close these are together. If I was filling, I would put another row in between so that they're right next to each other, and that will make a really beautiful, almost like lacy or crocheted look with your filler stitches. If you enjoyed this video, there's lots more where that came from. I have a whole channel called Embroidery 101 where I teach you what you need to know to get started, and also give you tons of tips and ideas to refresh your memory and help you to advance in your embroidery journey. So click the link below, and I hope you enjoy. Happy stitching!